So this is an unboxing of the foam cannon from this company from Amazon. Forgot the name of that company, but it's basically just a foam cannon gun or canister where you connect this to a power washer, and this would adjust according to the foam, how much foam. So I guess when you put plus, when you turn it clockwise, plus, there's more water, and then minus, less water and more foam. And this one goes to an M22 to a power pressure washer, and then this is where the foam comes out. I guess you can adjust the how wide the foam would come out. So I'm gonna give this a try. This is just an unboxing. So this is I don't know what brand this is, but it's from Amazon. It's there's no brand here name, but it comes with this and a towel and a cleaning cloth or washer. So that's it. Thanks for watching.